In this video, I'll be showing you how you can personalize your Opera Mini browser interface or your start page. To do that, what we are going to do is we tap on the logo here at the top right corner of our screen, bottom right corner of our screen, sorry. And now we move to our settings. Good. And that's the first option. You can see personalization. Just open that. Good. So now we can change the color and everything. So let's choose this here. You see. So we set this as the wallpaper. It has been changed. Let's go back there again. So here to our settings. So turn all these stuff off. Sports scores, odds and all that. News, you can just turn this off. It's up to you. Just adjust that and make your interface looks, more nicer. Notifications and all, just turn all these things off. And now let's come back for you to see the interface. You see all these things have been cleared off, and now we can delete all these things. You long press and you remove it. These betting stuff, just remove all of them, and you can add sites that you prefer you want to add on here. So that's it on how you edit or you personalize your startup page on Opera Mini browser. If you are new here, you give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.